morning! Good morning, Sapporo! Nababakit dyan. It's currently 6:03 in the morning. And we're gonna go to Sapporo TV Tower to meet up with the bus tour. Today, we're gonna go to the Lavender farm. So, we're up early. Malamig! Sabi ng nanay ko, hindi malamig. Ito lang yung suot ko. Sabi ng weather ngayon, magiging cloudy and I think it's gonna rain. Daming bayong. We're jaywalking. We're jaywalking. Vlog din yung nanay. So we had a quick stopover and bought onigiri and we're gonna go back to the bus. One. Nasaan tayo, Ma? Nasaan tayo? Nandito kami sa bilihan ng sweet corn na makakain mo lang ng 2 buwan sa Japan. Na-discover na namin kung nasaan talaga kami. Nasa B kami. B-I corn. Sarap. Hindi siya lasang corn. Sarap. We're here at the flower farm. Ito yung kinain namin today. Tempura. Ito yung ramen station. Right now we're at Tomita. Masyadong nakakapagod to. Kaya gawa namin. Para sa picture. Shit! Naman, madam. Tourista moment, no? Kamusta ka na?
Ang ganda-ganda dito sa Sapporo.
Wait, may dog. Kawaii! Hawaji! Kawaii! You smell my dog? This is the rainbow farm. Look at it! So nice! We just arrived at Little Prince Hotel and we are gonna go around and look for, I don't know. We are going here. It's all in Japanese, so I don't understand. Where am I? I think these are all souvenir shops. Sapporo and then we're gonna go to Esta. bumibili ako ng jacket kasi hindi ko kaya yung lamig. Kasi yung summer nila hindi summer. Ba, nag-CR yung nanay ko. Tapos imbis na flash yung pinindot niya yung
Marita rin
pinindot niya yung SOS.
Si Marita rin kaya?
Kaya ngayon tumatakbo kami palayo doon sa CR. Kasi baka may sumalubas sa kanya.